Hey, what's good YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can listen to music on your phone like Spotify for completely free in 2024. So first you want to go to App Store. In App Store you want to search for MUSI, then search, and then you want to download this app. Wait for it to download. After the app has been downloaded, press open. Here you want to just press start listening and then allow or ask app not to track. It's up to you. And then you can search anything, it doesn't matter. Everything here is completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. So basically, that's how you could listen to music like Spotify on your phone for completely free in 2024. If this video helps you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.